Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. Go to New Project and add 6 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now adjust photos to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and write this. Select font according to you. Now adjust and place. Now apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.